Okay, I'll be talking about this in my future video, but not right now. What I'm going to do is want to repot a couple of plants. First I'm going to, no, I think I would better put some, I have this plastic that I'm going to put on my, that's it. Here we go, to just save the place from spreading more dirt. Okay, first of all I'm going to pick up this beautiful plant. Oh my god, I love snake plants. It's so beautiful and it's doing so well. And I think either this or maybe this, one of these colors, since they are going to be on this table until I do something. I think the green one is going to look better here. So that's decided. I'm going to